Hi everyone, welcome back to Versatile Tech Limited. My name is Martin. Today I'll be showing you a very simple tutorial on how to create a color isolation. So as you saw in the video, I have highlighted some of the colors. So here the first thing we do is take our content, which in this case is just a simple video that I did. As you can see, I like basketball. So you right click and you drag it with your right mouse button and you add only the video, add across time. Once you're done with that, you come to the video, you select the part that you want to start doing your color isolation from. In this case it will be a whole video, so I'm just going to pick out the color red, or if you like, my skin tone. And for us to do that, we'll need a video effect called color corrector secondary. So come to your video effects tab down here, click on it and come to color corrector secondary. Once you're there, pick the default preset that they give you first and drop it onto your video. Once you're done with that, you can hold it like that, just by the side of the video. Come to the image, or rather to the place in the video where you want to choose the color that you want to isolate. As I said, in my case, I'm going for red and my skin tone. So for me to do that, I'll come to the color corrector tab that has opened by default, and I'm going to choose custom. Once I choose custom, the first thing I do, I am going to select the effect range. So the effect range is simply the color that I want isolated, and in this case it's my skin tone, so I'm going to click on my arm right there. And once I'm done with that, the second thing I'm going to do, I'm going to choose invert mask. Once I invert the mask, I'm going to go to step number 3, saturation. I'm going to bring it all the way down. As you can see, everything has gone to black and white, right? Don't be worried about that. We're still on course. After that, I'm going to go to luminance setting. The luminance setting, I'm going to go and adjust the low to the lowest point and the high to the highest point. After that, I'll come to limit saturation, where I'm going to do the same, low at the lowest and high to the highest. As you can already see, we are almost there. The rim is red, my skin tone is coming up right, but the ball is not quite what it is, yeah? Alright, so we're going to smoothen it all the way to the max. Once I'm done with that, feel free to peruse your video once again, have a look at it. As you can see, I have my friend here who had a red uniform. My ball is orange, which is okay. A bit of my skin tone can be seen. I move on like that. Where we were, the ball can be seen. Yeah, we need some adjustments there. The rim is quite okay. Alright, and then we move back, we peruse, we go through the video slowly. There are some containers here, but you can see the green one was grayed out, but the red ones we maintained the color that we wanted, and of course the red stuff down there in the lorry. We move on like that. You can see it's quite easy. The rails maintain their color, and there you go. Everything else is been grayed out except the color that we chose. Well, to refine this even more, you can always come back to the places you feel are not all that good to your liking, and you can adjust the width, but make sure you do this slowly. As you can see, it kind of messes up our desired effect. And of course the smoothing, the same thing. All that depends on what you want to achieve. And with that, you have your color isolation. This is a good effect for all those basketball lovers, all of you who like to edit sports videos, and it can be applicable to any other video that you wish to edit. And after that, feel free to come to your sounds and music, and you can always add your favorite track down there, right? Always feel free to add your track down there. You can sync it as you wish, and you'll be good to go. You'll be good to go. So my track, let me say I want to start it from there. I do a simple split. I remove what I don't want. This is just for tutorial purposes, right? So feel free to refine your work as you desire, and I wish you all the best in your editing. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Thank you.